Hi, this is Lena again. Long time no see. A couple of years ago, I retired. So my husband said, "Why don't you start it to do this cooking again?" Today, I'm going to make pepper crispy pepper, whatever you call it. It has been in fashion for a couple of years. Talk about the ingredients first. You need to have crushed pepper. I don't have enough of that. So instead of running to the store, I just happen to have some dried pepper. I'm just going to cut it like this. So if I run to the store, it's going to be another at least 30 minutes. So cut these maybe 5 minutes. So save me a trip outside. So this is something crushed pepper, ginger, garlic, and rock candy. If you don't have it, you can use brown sugar. And this is roasted peanuts. I don't have enough of that. And again, I don't want to go to the store right now. So use substitutes. I just happen to have some sunflower seeds. I'm going to add on to it. If you don't have that, use other nuts. Walnuts, I think, would be a good choice. Probably not unless you use sliced almond. Almond can, if it's too big, you crush it. Anyways, you substitute. So here's the pepper and annex seeds. Use that. And so it's going to be hot, sweet, and salty. Good cooking is to get a complex flavor. So here we get the fragrance of nuts. We got the saltiness, fermented black beans. This is the major ingredients in this dish. And also add on heat. Crushed pepper is to add on heat. And this pepper, Thai pepper, or Chinese use that too, and use a few of them. They are pretty hot and they are not cheap. You can go get a pack for maybe $4 or $5 and freeze them. And I have them frozen for 6 months now, probably. And take it out just as good as fresh. So these are the ingredients. And some people use Sichuan pepper. I don't quite like that flavor, so I omit that. Put in whatever you like and omit what you don't like. Some people say, "How much ginger do you use?" A lot. And another problem is a lot of people think to peel garlic is such a chore and it's difficult. And I show you a trick. You first break them down and get rid of the excessive paper, and then just rinse it under the water. Get it wet a bit so it's more manageable. Okay. And then you use the knife, so it crush it a bit. So, and that forced the paper away from the garlic. So you just peel it off very easy. So pound it and just shake it out. All right. You're not going to need a whole garlic in your dish, and you're going to cut it anyways. So this is an easy way to peel it. As for ginger, a lot of people don't like have a bite of ginger in their mouth, and I don't like it. So you just finely chop it. Another thing is, I don't know where they got the idea. The chefs on the TV always say, "Peel the ginger." You don't need to peel it. Put off a lot of people. You just use with the skin on. What's wrong with the skin? So you can get rid of some of the dry spots. And if here it get rid of it, just use the whole thing. A friend of mine asked me, "Can I not to peel it?" I said, "You don't have to. I don't." And she said, "Oh, that's so liberating. You got cut off the part, that part is not good. You cut it off. Then just use the whole thing. Just chop it into sort of like just mince it. That's it. We're going to start cooking. All right. Probably this is the easiest thing to do. I have some oil that I made for the other day for fermented tofu, some leftover. I'm just going to use it. It has black sesame oil seeds in it. At first, I was concerned they may burn. Then I thought, oh, well, it's not going to be high temperature, so we're good. And I'm going to add on more oil. So you're saying, a lot of oil. Yes, I'm not cooking a dish. I'm cooking a seasoning. and you are going to use that when you cook other things. You need oil to seal. At the very end, I'm going to show you, you need oil to seal the whole thing. So you keep the crisp in a bottle. You don't have to fridge it. So you need oil to seal it. Now we prepared everything, and I'm just going to dump all the ingredients in it. Okay. So I'm waiting for the oil to heat up a bit. Now the oil is slowly heating up, and I'm going to put some anise seeds in it and turn the heat a little bit lower to the medium heat. You don't want the oil to be too hot. So put some in it that the flavor would fuse into the oil. Okay. And then I'm going to put all the crushed pepper, garlic, and ginger, mince them. And since we're going to put them in together, I don't need to separate them. So put everything in. They start to cook. You start to smell it. Nice smell. And fermented black beans, and I rinsed it a bit. Okay, and I used not to rinse them, and somebody said, you need to rinse them. Okay, I rinsed them. So keep the oil temperature medium low. So this would slowly fry it, and now put the peanuts in. Oh, I forgot to crush them a bit. Okay, that's fine. And since I have some sunflower seeds, and I put them in. Crush the pepper in. Oh, that's quite a bit. Probably I don't need the extras. What else? I let it fry. Maybe just add a little bit more of the pepper. This is not a dish. This is a kind of seasoning. Is it's almost an all-purpose seasoning. You use this, and I'm going to show you later how to use it. And if you just a plain noodle, boiled plain noodle, and you can have a scoop in it and mix up, good flavor. Look at these. You have the fermented black beans have very, very strong umami flavor. Then you add on the nuts, you add on pepper. So, and then a little bit later, I'm going to add on more rock candy. So right now, I don't want to add on. Okay, just let it slowly cook. And I'm going to, so let it fry in the oil for a little while. Then stir it, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. See the oil? There's a lot of oil, so that's good. Keep it on top, and the oil would keep used as a preservative. Now, you can smell the garlic and the ginger, all that smell, and the fried smell is so good. Now, and I'm going to add on some soy sauce. Now, yes. So it's like a water into oil. It's going to have some excitement. So turn the heat really low now, and I start to put in candy. That's it. And you just cook it down and let it slowly cook. Now you have the soy sauce added some moist in it. So the black beans would not fry too hard. And the other things are fried already. They got the fragrance out already. So you just wait now, let the soy sauce melt the candy, and that's it. It's that easy. So how to use it? It has the flavor. It has sweetness. It has saltiness. The black beans and the soy sauce add on the saltiness and other flavor and hotness. So you get these and you put, after you're done, after it's cooled down, I put it in the mason jar. And then I just, when I cook, when you stir fry, just a plain vegetable, leafy vegetable like a baby bok choy, some oil, some stir fry it at the end, add on a scoop and just add on this wonderful flavor. If you boil just plain noodle and add on a scoop, just make it so much more flavorful. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It's not a dish. To eat it like a dish is just too strong a flavor.